Hey, what's up you guys? It's Mike Nardi here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of promoting a gig on Fiverr with the ultimate goal of figuring out whether or not it's worth it and whether or not it can help me sell more and make more money on Fiverr. This is going to be the first time that I've taken advantage of this relatively new Fiverr feature. I think they started allowing sellers to promote Fiverr gigs about a year ago. So I'm going to use it on one of my gigs and see if it's something I might want to do going forward to help those gigs improve their gig ranking and get more exposure in Fiverr search. So if you're looking for ways to level up on Fiverr, make more money on Fiverr, and just, really take your gigs to the next level, make sure you're sticking around till the end of this video because I'm going to walk you through the whole process of how to set up your first promoted gig on Fiverr. And also make sure to subscribe to this channel and smash the like button. Smashing the like button might also help you make more money on Fiverr because it might make the YouTube algorithm recommend more of my videos to you, and my videos are all about making money on Fiverr. So that could really help you. Smash the like button. All right, and now without further ado, I'm gonna get right into the process of creating my first Fiverr promoted gig. All right, so you're gonna, when you get to the promoted gig page in Fiverr, you're gonna see this: more exposure, more orders, promoted gigs. So basically, you're basically paying Fiverr for like a cost per click type of arrangement. It gives you some more information here: boost visibility, grow your business, pay only for results. I'm just really interested in creating this first gig. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna let you know when you first click into this which gigs they've pre-selected that you're eligible to promote. So from my understanding, these gigs are typically gigs with a certain amount of orders. I think it's gigs with over 20 orders or 20 reviews or something like that. I'll put the number or the criteria on the screen. I'll look it up after I finish filming this video. All right, so for this experiment, I'm actually going to focus on this gig here, which is a gig I've recently created. It's a variation of my email writing gig where I write sales emails to help people sell and market their SaaS products. So I'm going to hit next here. And then what it says is review your bid. A bid is the maximum amount you'll be willing to pay per click on your ad. The higher the bid, the higher the chances to win your ad spot. However, you'll pay just the minimum to win over other bids. You can adjust your bid from your promoted gig dashboard later. Okay, so basically 50 cents is what they recommend. That's the maximum you can pay per click. This is a gig where my lowest package is $40. So if it's gonna cost me 50 cents to make $40, I think that's a pretty good ROI. So I'm just gonna leave it at what they recommended. All right, so it says control your daily spend. So I guess, if you spend $5 at 50 cents a click, yeah, you'll get 10 clicks a day. So I'm just gonna leave it at 5, and I'm gonna run this for 7 days, let's say. Promote my gig. Oh wow, that's it. Congrats, your ad is all set. Start spending your $10 from us on your first ad. Wow, cool. Go to Promoted Gigs dashboard. Okay. Hi, Mike Nardi. Here you can view, track, and manage your ads anytime. You'll start spotting some activity soon. The information is updated hourly, but the longer your ads run, the more meaningful the results will be. Your Fiverr balance will be charged for your ads cost each month for the previous month activities. Okay. So I'm promoting one gig. My daily spend limit is $5. Apparently I have a $10 ad credit. And that is it. So we'll let this run for about a week and we'll let you see how it goes. All right, so that was like a super easy process. It literally was like 3 screens you have to click through. You pick the gig you want to promote, you pick how much you want to spend per click, and then you pick the maximum you're willing to spend per day. We'll see how effective this is. Again, I'm promoting one of my sales and email marketing gigs, which has been pretty popular lately. I've been getting a couple orders a week from it, so I'm curious if the promoted gig feature ups that to like 10 or 15 orders per week. Definitely something that I would consider continuing with. However, if I notice just like 1 or 2 more gigs coming in, I probably won't keep going with it because the results might be pretty marginal. So anyways, thanks for stopping in. Check back in a couple weeks. I'll put out a video that talks about the results and whether or not this promoted gig actually paid off. So until next time, cheers.